Affiliate marketing has been one of the hottest ways to make money online for years, and if you've searched for courses, you've probably come across the name John Crestani. His program, the Super Affiliate System, has been around for a while, promising to teach people how to build profitable businesses with paid ads. But here's the real question: is the Super Affiliate System still worth it this year, or is it just outdated hype? In this video, I'll take you inside the course, break down what's included, share real pros and cons, success stories, pricing details, and most importantly, my honest verdict. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Money Moves, where we review online courses and business programs so you can avoid wasting money and focus on what really works. So make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also share some insider insights that most reviews never mention. Let's get started. So before we dive into the course itself, let's talk about the man behind it, John Crestani. John is a well-known entrepreneur and affiliate marketing expert who's been in the industry for over a decade. He started out working regular jobs but eventually cracked the code of paid advertising and turned affiliate marketing into a multi-million-dollar business. His story and strategies have been featured in major publications like Forbes, Business Insider, and Yahoo Finance, which adds credibility that not every online course creator has. Over the years, John has built multiple successful campaigns in different niches, generating millions in affiliate commissions. He's also trained thousands of students around the world through his programs, which is one of the reasons why his name keeps coming up whenever people search for affiliate marketing training. But here's what really matters: unlike many so-called gurus who make most of their income selling courses, John actually built his wealth through running profitable affiliate campaigns. That means the Super Affiliate System is based on real-world experience, not just theory. And the reason people keep talking about him is because he's known for breaking down complex strategies into step-by-step training that beginners can follow, while still sharing advanced tactics for more experienced marketers. So now that you know who's behind the program, let's move on to what really matters: what's inside the Super Affiliate System, and how it's structured to help you succeed. Alright, let's break down what you actually get inside the Super Affiliate System. The program is structured as a 6-week roadmap, with each module building on the last. Here's a quick overview. Week 1, Getting Set Up for Success. This week is all about foundations. You'll learn what affiliate marketing really is, how it works, and how to set up your business from scratch. That includes choosing affiliate networks, creating accounts, and getting everything ready to launch your first campaign. By the end of week 1, you'll already have the basic structure of your online business in place. Week 2, Mastering paid ads and writing copy that converts. Here John teaches you how to create ads that actually grab attention and drive clicks. You'll learn the psychology behind why people buy and how to apply it when writing your own ads. He also walks you step by step through setting up your first Google and Facebook campaigns, even if you've never run an ad before. This is where many beginners usually fail, but John makes it beginner friendly. Week 3, Optimizing and Scaling. Now that your ads are running, it's time to make them profitable. This week focuses on testing, tweaking, and scaling campaigns. You'll also learn how to create landing pages that convert, a crucial step most beginners skip. This is where students often see their first commissions coming in. Week 4, Facebook and YouTube ads for explosive growth. Here you go beyond the basics and dive deeper into advanced paid traffic. John shows you how to target the right audience on Facebook and how to use retargeting to bring back visitors who didn't buy the first time. Plus, you'll learn how to run YouTube ads, which many courses don't even cover, but can be incredibly powerful for affiliate marketing. Week 5, Automation and Passive Income Systems. Who doesn't want to earn while they sleep? In this module, you'll learn how to build email sequences and retargeting campaigns that keep selling for you automatically. John also shares the exact tools he uses to automate his business so you can work smarter, not harder. Week 6, Scaling to $10,000 plus per month. Finally, John reveals how to turn small wins into serious income. You'll learn reinvestment strategies, scaling tactics, and see real case studies of students who built 6-figure affiliate businesses using this exact system. So, in just 6 weeks, you move from setup to automation, and even to advanced scaling strategies. That's what makes this program different. It's not just theory, it's a step-by-step roadmap designed to get you earning as fast as possible. So what makes the Super Affiliate System stand out from other affiliate marketing courses out there? There are a few key things that set it apart. First, the step-by-step structure. Many courses just dump a bunch of random videos on you and leave you to figure it out. This program is organized as a 6-week roadmap where each module builds on the last. That way, you're never overwhelmed and you always know exactly what to do next. Second, the focus on paid traffic. A lot of affiliate courses stick to free traffic methods like blogging or SEO, which can take months or even years to pay off. John's system is different because it teaches you how to get fast results with Google, Facebook, and YouTube ads. Once you learn how to run profitable ads, you can scale much faster than with free methods. Third, done-for-you resources. You're not starting from a blank page. The course includes ad templates, landing page designs, and swipe files that have already been tested and proven to convert. This saves a ton of time and removes the guesswork. Fourth, the community and mentorship. When you join, you're not on your own. You get access to a private student group, live Q&A sessions, and expert support to help you stay on track. Being able to ask questions and connect with people who are going through the same journey makes a huge difference in staying motivated. So whether you're a beginner who needs step-by-step guidance or someone with experience looking to sharpen your ad skills, the Super Affiliate System offers more than just theory. It's a complete framework with training, templates, and a support system to help you succeed. Alright, let's talk about pricing, because that's often the biggest question people have before joining any course. The Super Affiliate System is priced at $997 as a one-time payment, or you can choose a 3-month plan of $397 per month. On the surface, that may sound like a big investment, but here's where it becomes interesting. When you compare it to other business models like e-commerce or creating your own product, those can require thousands of dollars upfront just for inventory, tools, and ads. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create a product, you're simply promoting offers that already exist. Another thing to consider is the time factor. Free traffic methods like SEO or blogging can take months, sometimes years, to start producing real results. This course is built around paid traffic strategies, which means you can test campaigns and start generating commissions much faster. And here's an important point, John offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can go through the training, apply the methods, and if you don't see results, you can request a full refund. So in that sense, the risk is low compared to the potential upside. When you look at it from the perspective of investing in a system that has helped many students hit their first commissions or even scale into full-time income, the $997 price tag becomes more reasonable. You're essentially paying for a shortcut to years of trial and error. One of the best ways to know if a course actually delivers is by looking at real student results. And the Super Affiliate System has plenty of success stories. For example, Tony was completely new to affiliate marketing. He followed the training step by step, launched his first ad campaign, and within just a few weeks earned his first high-ticket commission. Today, he's consistently making over $5,000 per month. And Michael, who already had some experience, used the YouTube ad strategies from the course to transform his business. He now makes 6 figures per month and credits the Super Affiliate System for giving him the missing piece he needed to scale. Then there's Lisa, who had tried other programs before but never saw real results. After joining John's course and applying the paid traffic strategies, she started making consistent sales and eventually quit her 9-to-5 job to go full-time. Of course, results vary, and not everyone will achieve the same numbers. But what these stories show is that when students take action and apply what's taught, the system can create life-changing results. Now let's go over the pros and cons of the Super Affiliate System. Pros: proven step-by-step system. The course is organized into a 6-week roadmap that's easy to follow and keeps you on track. Focus on paid traffic. Instead of waiting months for free traffic, you learn how to use Google, Facebook, and YouTube ads to get faster results. Comprehensive training. It covers everything from the basics of affiliate marketing to advanced scaling strategies. Done-for-you resources. You get ad templates, landing page designs, and swipe files that have already been tested and proven to work. Community and mentorship. Access to a private group, live Q&A sessions, and expert support helps you stay motivated and get your questions answered. Money-back guarantee. A 30-day refund policy means you can try the course with minimal risk. Cons: financial investment. At $997, or 3 payments of $397, the course isn't cheap. For beginners on a tight budget, this can feel like a big commitment. Requires ad spend. Since the system is based on paid traffic, you'll need to budget extra money for ads in addition to the course price. Overall, the pros heavily outweigh the cons if you're serious about building a business with paid advertising. But it's important to be realistic, this program works best for people ready to invest both time and money. So, here's the big question: is the Super Affiliate System worth it this year? If you're serious about learning paid traffic and want a clear, step-by-step roadmap to build an affiliate marketing business, then yes, this course can absolutely be worth the investment. The training is comprehensive, the templates and resources save time, and the community support keeps you accountable. But if you're not ready to spend money on ads, or you're looking for free traffic strategies like blogging or SEO, then this might not be the right fit for you. The system is designed for people willing to invest in paid advertising to grow faster. Overall, the Super Affiliate System remains one of the most complete and actionable affiliate marketing courses available. If you want to check out all the details, I've left the official link in the description below. Either way, I hope this honest review gave you the clarity you need. If you want to see my breakdown of another top affiliate marketing program, check out the video on your screen right now. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to give the video a like, it really helps the channel, and subscribe to the Digital Money Moves for more honest reviews and online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.